My name? Check. Size? Correct. Phone number? Yes. Yellow highlighter? Check mark. Air Jordan 1 Electro-Orange? Pinky freaking highlighter? Check mark. They circled it so many times because they're finally happy that someone actually wrote the name wrong. Wrote the name right. I'm pretty sure a lot of people screw up. This is the same paper I used for the freaking Nike raffle to win this particular shoe. I still gotta pay for it. Now, this is from the Nike store, and they're very, very expensive. They can't even print a freaking logo anywhere on the bag. What is good, YouTube? It's Leon from Sneaker Klinic. Thank you for tuning into this video. Can I unbox this now? Yes. Oh my God, you guys are the best film crew I've ever hired. Now, this is not a clickbait. This is actually a very, very short review video. Now, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. We will appreciate you guys so much. If you find this annoying and that's why you're not subscribing, for whatever reason, you know, you're hating us, I don't even know why you're still watching this video, but there must be a reason. Check this out. There is, I don't know if you guys can see it. Yes, you guys cannot see it. This is the freaking tag, black box. Nike logo all around. Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG 555088180 is the color code. White, black, Electro-Orange, made in China. China. Let's unbox this. Ooh, I gotta be careful. You know why? Because this is not even my pair. I don't wear a size 10.5, you dummies. I'm a size 12. Now, hold on. Oh my God. Oh, smells very chemically. Anything in here? They don't even have the usual stupid sticker. Alright, so this is very authentic. I'm just gonna lay it right here on the side. Okay, if you guys hear Ellie in the background, who cares? She's safe. She's in the playpen. Now, this is kind of cool. It's kind of like a mix of the shattered backboards. This material, I'm actually surprised. It's kind of, it's synthetic leather, metallic-y finish, kind of like the white and metallic purple that came out, the women's colorway. Ooh, oh my God, wow. I don't even want to do a smell test. This is intense. Yes, they do come unlaced like this. I believe back in the days, the Air Jordan 1s, they came like this. I gotta be careful. This cardboard shoe tree is expensive and is very sharp. I actually like the inside tag, Nike Air. That's actually very different. Ellie, you know what? I don't care about you right now. Shoes are more important. Check this out. Bam. 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 Oh man, the leather is actually not bad. It's the same kind of leather that you would expect on a Air Jordan 1. It's not great. It's not cheap. I should check on Ellie. Yeah, give me a second. Sorry guys, had to do a little Asian child abuse. Slap Ellie in the face to stop crying. Jokes aside, let me know what you guys think. Did you guys cop? Did you guys not? If you did buy a pair, or you got 2, you got 3, 10, whatever, are you gonna resell them? Duh, if you got more than 2 pairs, of course you're gonna resell them. My resale prediction, I don't know. I think it might take some time, 1 to 2 years, the price will go up a little bit. It's not gonna double, it's not gonna triple. This is not UNC's, this is not Breads, this is not whatever, this is just Halloween. Ooh, you do have extra replacement hair. That's actually kind of cool. But it doesn't change the fact that I'm not really feeling these myself. But lucky for my buddy, he won 2 pairs. One on his end for dropping raffles for the other stores. And then for me, for actually helping him out to drop my name for his size. And Nike called us both on the same day, and holy moly, he has 2 pairs. I don't know what he's gonna do. He's not really a reseller. I think that this color blocking is nice. It's not loud. This little hits there is cool. This is cool. They got the orange cool laces, the orange. They all match the nice, sexy orange swoosh. I don't know what else to say. Maybe give you a quick 360. Here you go. Yeah, let's wrap this video up. So leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about these Air Jordan 1 Electro-Orange. I think I'm gonna keep the extra hair. Where's the scissors? Screw this. Did you know that the Air Jordan 1s, they actually do have an encapsulated air unit? No, you guys didn't know that? You don't believe me? You want me to cut this shoe in half? Oh, I can't because this is not my pair though. You're gonna pay me $500 to cut this in half? I might reconsider. Did you know the original Air Jordan 1 actually came out in 1985? That's about 3 years after I was born. Hold, are you saying I'm old? Are you censoring this? This is the middle finger. Did you know that the Breads, the black and red colorway, was actually banned, but Michael Jordan still wore it anyways, and every time he wore it in the game, he got fined by the NBA. And last thing, did you know that I'm not going to give this to my buddy? He's not gonna buy it off me. I'm actually gonna keep it. I'm gonna resell this and make a lousy $5 off of StockX. Did you know that you're a fool and an idiot for actually believing me? Of course, my buddy's gonna buy this off of me. Retail, I'm not gonna rip them off. Alright, let's just put these back. I'm gonna message my buddy that he can pick it up later. Just pay me back retail price. Actually, I can't rip him off though because he knows the retail price. Whatever, get him to buy me some bubble tea. Yeah, he won't know. Goody, 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 goody. Oh my god. It's kind of heavy, size 12 and a size 10.5 box. Alright, that looks good. Okay. See you, YouTube. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel, sneaker.clinic.